Well, hello friends. Today we are doing something a little bit unusual here. I got a package from Jesse, who is a longtime contributor and to the Serenity operating system, and it's from Australia. And I figured I would just open this thing on cam, and if it's something embarrassing, then I won't post it, and if it's something neat, then we'll have our first unboxing video. So I'm just gonna scissor this thing up here. Now, obviously, I'm not really set up for this type of thing, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. So what we have here is something wrapped, looking very friendly, and an envelope that says "Cling" on it. So I guess we'll check out the envelope. Happy birthday, etc. Now that's very nice. So this was supposed to be for my birthday, but that was a long time ago. It's just that it got held up in customs, and so we've been waiting to hear when I can finally get the package, and today was today. So what it says. Here's what it says inside. Happy birthday to Cling. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. I did have a good birthday. I cannot wait to see what the next year brings. From Jesse. I can normally read better than that. It's just that this whole thing is weirding me out a little bit, but it's nice, isn't it? So thank you, Jesse, for the nice card, and let's see what's in this big wrapper here. Well, all right. So what do we got here? We got a 240 gigabyte solid state drive. Dude, that's pretty awesome. Thank you, Jesse. That's like way bigger than what I currently have in my development machine. So that's pretty sweet. All right. Definitely gonna use that, so thank you. And then we have a certified Zoomer RGB mouse, which is definitely an upgrade from my non-RGB mouse. So I guess this thing is going to show colors in the dark, which will be perfect. I'm just opening this up here. Oh, there we go. All right, it's a Minos XT RGB something or other. It looks extremely post-millennial, and I don't think I understand it, but I'll try to install it and see how it's like. I've never had a single RGB-enabled product in my life, so this will be the first. I guess that makes me officially a gamer. So, thank you very much, Jesse. I think I'm going to cut here and then show the mouse in the dark. We'll see how it looks when it's turned on. Alright, so here we are in the dark. This mouse is so colorful. It's probably the most colorful thing I've ever had near my computer. But it is very neat, I suppose. The color is kind of rotating around the bottom. And this is what it looks like up top. And I don't know if it even comes through in the video really, but it is changing colors all the time. And I will finally be able to compute like a proper, what do you call it? I guess gamer. So thank you very much, Jesse, for the birthday present and for this for the huge upgrade with the SSD. That's super awesome, and for the mouse, which is just taking my lifestyle to the next level in terms of aesthetics. Thank you very much. And yeah, this was a bit of a different video today, but thanks for checking it out anyways. I'll see you next time. Bye.